Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
All right, how you doing? Tony with RVFix. It's a good idea to check the seals on your roof about every 6 months. Here we are in the springtime. We're just giving a good once over on this roof, and I found over here right around the skylight, here's some cracking in the sealant. Now this sealant, it's not real thick. We could probably go ahead and use this sealant for a little while longer, but we want to pay attention to this crack. I also would like to point out on this skylight here, it's getting pretty yellow. Usually when they turn yellow like that, they begin to kind of get brittle. So you'd want to just really keep an eye on this skylight for the next year or two, just to make sure that if there's any impact damage, this thing will crack and break. So you want to just try to keep ahead of that if you can. So what we want to do to take care of this crack is we're just going to clean that off. We're going to use some denatured alcohol. We'll leave a link in the description where you can find denatured alcohol. And we're also going to use some self-leveling sealant. What we're using today is a product made by Dicor. It's lap sealant. I'll leave a description for that as well. It's self-leveling, so once we put it on, we can put a bead on. We don't have to touch it up. It's just going to flatten itself out and look really nice. So let's get it cleaned up and seal this crack. All right, you're just going to clean that up really good so our new sealant will bond to it. So we got to snip the tip of our caulk, and then there's going to be a foil cover that we got to poke a hole in. Most caulk guns will have a cutter on it for the tip, so we can stick the tip of the caulk in there, cut the tip off, and then it'll also have a little tool for poking the foil, just like that. Go in there and poke that foil, slide that into your caulk gun. And it's self-leveling, so we don't have to worry about flattening it out. We just put a nice bead on that over the crack. And we're done.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.